Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now this is exercise 6.1, question number 1, part 5. In this part, the expression contains the exponent or the parts. Now we will learn that how we will find out the HCF of the expressions which contain parts. Now the first factor is 2 cube into 3 square into x minus y whole cube into x plus 2y whole square. The second factor is 2 cube 3 square into x minus y whole square into x plus 2y whole cube, and the third one is 3 square into x minus y whole square into x plus 2y. Now in solution, first we write the first term as A, the second term as B, and the third term as C. Now we compare the terms which are common to all these three expressions. Now the first one is 2 cube. 2 cube is present in the first term, in the second term, but it is missing in the third term, so it cannot be the common factor to all the three terms. So we cannot write it as the common factor or as the highest common factor. Now we move to the 3 square. The next term is 3 square. 3 square is present in all the three terms, so we can take it as the common factor, and so it is present in the highest common factor, 3 square. Now when we move to the expression which contains x minus y whole cube, x minus y whole square, and x minus y whole square. Now one thing which you should remember, that when we compare the terms in case of HCF, and it contains the parts, we will take the least part, the smallest exponent in case of HCF. For example, if we are taking x minus y whole cube, x minus y whole square, and x minus y whole square, in this case the least or the smallest part is 2, so we will take the term x minus y whole square in HCF. So it is x minus y whole square, or the par is 2, the least par. Now moving towards the next factor, which is x plus 2y. So x plus 2y is present in all the three expressions. Now we look for the exponent or the par of the x plus 2y. So in first case the par is 2, in the second case the par is 3, and in the third case the par is 1. And in case of HCF, we will take the least part, the smallest exponent. So the smallest one is x plus 2y into 1. So we will take it in HCF as x plus 2y raised to the power 1. So HCF is the product of all the common terms, that is 3 square into x minus y whole square into x plus 2y.